Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe. So today I was going to do something special. I was going to tell you guys how I went from 0 YouTube subscribers to 100 subscribers in just 1 month. So I just wanted to share some of those tips, some of those tricks, some of the things that I've learned along the way. But first, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for those of you who did subscribe to me this past month. I appreciate it so much, and I appreciate all the support that you guys have given me, and I look forward to providing you guys some great content in the upcoming months. So I was going to share with you tip number 1. So tip number 1 is going to be produce great video quality videos. So just think about whenever you're going through YouTube and you're looking at videos and what appeals to you the most. You don't want dark lighting. You want to really produce great lighting, a great atmosphere, and produce a good quality video. So that's going to be tip number 1. Tip number 2 is going to be using iMovie. So if you guys are a fan of Apple products, iMovie is amazing. So it's free download. You can use it on your iPad, your iPhone, and on your iMac. So it's a great editing tool. I didn't even know about it until I started doing YouTube, and you can delete clips, edit clips, enhance the lighting. It's a wonderful tool to use. So if you don't know how to use it, download the application, start getting in there, uploading your videos on there, and learning how to use the application. It's wonderful. Alright, tip number 3 is having a great video camera. So I started off using my iPhone X, and the iPhone X is absolutely amazing. It records in 4K 60 frames per second. So I actually went out and purchased a $700 camera. It was a Canon Rebel SL3, and so I did a comparison between what my iPhone X did and what my Canon did, and I put them side by side on my iMac, and the iPhone X had way better quality than the actual Canon, so I actually returned that camera. So if you guys have an iPhone, I would definitely recommend just recording in the 4K 60 frames per second, and it's a wonderful video quality. So tip number 4 is going to be promote your YouTube channel. So if you're in the beginning stages, you don't have any followers, you don't have any subscribers, you don't have any views, and you're starting to get frustrated, use your social media. Use Instagram, use Facebook. Even if you have 300, 400, 500 followers on Instagram, that's okay. That's better than only one. So if people don't know to subscribe to your channel, and if they don't even know that your channel even exists, then how are they going to come back and subscribe? So put your videos out there, project your YouTube channel, post it on Facebook, post it on Instagram. That's the only way you're going to get the word out. So tip number 5 is creating good quality thumbnails. So thumbnails are imperative, especially because that's what the viewer on YouTube is going to see first before they actually even click on your video. So it has to be great quality. The lighting's got to be great. It's got to be in 4K. So what I use is a program called Canva. You can download it on your iPhone, your iPad. You can go to the website, but Canva, it's a wonderful place to create thumbnails. You can upload your photo. You can put text on your picture. So it's a great program to use. I would recommend it for anybody. And yes, so get out there, create a wonderful produced thumbnail. Okay, so tip number 6 is to get rid of the dead silence. So you want to keep your movie or your video constantly flowing. You don't want a lot of dead silence, and I learned that in the beginning of stages of creating videos. So my first few videos, I had way too much dead silence. If I'm making a cooking video or I'm making some type of how-to tutorial, you need to cut out that dead silence and move on to the next thing that you're trying to project to the audience, because people are going to get bored. So you want to keep them actively engaged constantly. So keep that movie flowing. And so cut out all that dead silence. If you're not talking, if nothing's happening, cut it out. Use iMovie. Edit those clips. So that's what I'm trying to sell you guys. You need to keep the movie flowing and get rid of the dead silence. Okay, so tip number 7 is going to be your lighting. Lighting is another imperative thing. So I don't know if you noticed in the beginning of this video, I had 3 lighting structures. So you could just go right on Amazon, I'm going to post that up here, is to just go on and purchase. It's $50, you get white umbrellas, and you can just maneuver those around and create the best lighting possible for your video. It's going to capture your audience attention, it's going to create a great quality video, and it's really going to enhance all the pixels and the great lighting in your videos. Okay, so tip number 8 is actually going to be once you've created your video, you're ready for it to upload in YouTube, you actually want to fill out that whole description that you can talk about in your video. Write a whole paragraph. So in the YouTube algorithm, it actually picks up on all the words that you use in your description to help put you up in the top of the search bar whenever people are typing in keywords for you to search for whatever topic of video that you actually have uploaded. So use all that space, type a paragraph, and also put in your contact information. Put, where someone can contact you, an email, Instagram, so just wherever they can find you, like on Facebook. And so use up that whole entire thing. Be as descriptive as possible. They give you about, I think, 5,000 characters that you can use. So I know a lot of people may not use it, but it helps the algorithm for YouTube to be able to for YouTube to know what exactly your video is completely about. Okay, tip number 9 is your hashtags. So hashtag up a storm. So YouTube actually will allow you to put up to 500 characters in tags. Use every character. If you're talking about cooking, tag whatever it is that you're cooking. Put the ingredients, put what it is, how to. Is it a tutorial? Put all of that, tag it up. So that's going to help YouTube's algorithm to pick up your video, put it up in the high search bar as well, and to be able to compile all of that to basically confirm to YouTube exactly what your video is about, and it's going to allow people to really focus and be able to find your video easier on YouTube. Okay, so tip number 10 and my final tip is do not give up. So many YouTubers who start creating YouTube videos, they give up, they see that their channel's not doing well, they're not getting any subscribers, they're not getting any views. But that is the whole thing. Don't give up. It could take 2 months, 3 months. It could take 1 year for one of your videos to become successful. But don't give up. Keep providing content. That's what this is all about. Keep getting better. Keep improving your videos. Keep improving your lighting. Keep, making your descriptions more full. Just don't give up. Keep providing that content, and that's the only thing else that I can say to you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please comment down below if you'd like to see other videos like that. Please let me know what you guys are doing to make your videos better, and if you like this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Take care.